Hello everyone, welcome to MathCentricMind. Today we are gonna find the derivative of a function by using product rule. Before we move on, let's remember the product rule. Product rule says us if your function product of the other two functions, just like here, for example, the function h of x is product of f of x and g of x, then derivative of h of x is equal to derivative of f of x times g of x plus f of x times derivative of g of x. Let's look our question now. The function h of x is made up of two polynomial functions. Let's say f of x is equal to 3x plus 2 and g of x is equal to 5x squared minus 6. What else do we need? Derivative of f of x and g of x. Let's find them. Derivative of f of x is 3 and derivative of g of x is 10x. Let's substitute the functions and their derivatives. Derivative of h of x is equal to 3 times 5x squared minus 6 plus f of x is 3x plus 2 times derivative of g of x is 10x. In this step, let's distribute 3 and 10x. 3 times 5x squared, 15x squared, minus 3 times 6, 18, plus 10x times 3x is 30x squared, plus 2 times 10x is 20x. Let's simplify a little bit. 45x squared, because we add 15x squared and 30x squared, plus 20x minus 18 is our solution of this question. Let's look another question. First question was a product of two polynomial functions. This time the function is a product of one polynomial function and one logarithmic function. So product rule fits this question perfectly. Let's call f of x x cubed and g of x ln x. We will need derivative of these functions as well. Let's find them. F prime of x is equal to 3x squared. G prime of x is equal to 1 over x. If we substitute the functions and their derivatives, derivative of y is equal to first derivative of f of x 3x squared times g of x ln x plus f of x is x cubed and derivative of g of x is 1 over x. Let's simplify a little bit. 3x squared ln x plus x squared. We can go one step further because x squared is the common factor here. X squared times 3 ln x plus 1 is our solution. Let's look another question. This time we have combination of one polynomial function and one trigonometric function. Method will be same. We will use product rule again. Let's say f of x is equal to x to the fourth power and g of x is equal to sine x. Let's find derivative of f of x and g of x. Derivative of f of x is equal to 4x cubed and derivative of g of x is cosine x. In this step, we are going to substitute the functions and their derivatives into the formula. Derivative of h of x is equal to first derivative of x times g of x, 4x cubed times sine x, plus f of x times derivative of g of x, x to the 4 power times cosine x. This is the derivative of given function.